Hello and welcome back friends. In this video I will explain you about PLS and PLF instruction, how we can use in the Delta PLC. So let's get started. But before start this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel. This way you will never miss my upcoming videos. We will open our WPLSoft software and click it OK and wait for some seconds and just click on file and click new project and click it OK. As this window will be appear, and after we will write here LDX1 for execution to the instruction, and next we will write PLS and M0 for example, and this instruction you will be got. And here is one more contact we will take of the PLS instruction, LD M0, and click enter. And next we can operate any output, for example Y0 I will take and click enter. Out Y0. And one more LDX1 I will take to show the status of your M0. How we can show the status? Because of when PLS instruction will be on, just some friction of time, this will be on and just off. But one another way, we will make this Y0 reset, set. Because of it, if we use this direct coil, it will be I think so can't show in the program. Because of it, this is scan time is very low, so put the set Y0, and here next LDX2 we will choose for RSTY0. because of when we give the signal at X1, after our this PLS instruction gives a one rising edge. This PLS means is the pulse rising edge, means this is one signal triggers, and M0 will be just a small time for on and after off. And after when this will be on, after our Y0 will be set. And when we put the signal at X2, after our Y0 will be go to reset. So just first compile this project and make the simulation on and write to the PLC. Make the simulation on here and put the PLC in run mode. So I will give the one signal at X0, and you can see this is our Y0 is on. But in case of if I use this direct Y0, you can't see the Y0 on and off. And again I will give the signal at X2, after Y0 will be reset. I will make again, for example I will show you this example, maybe you will be understand complete. Out Y0 only just, and this no need, and compiler and download the PLC. And make it simulation on. And now you can see I will give this signal, but Y0 is not on. Because of this scan time is 0.001 millisecond. So it cannot show the status of the X1 because PLS instruction this signal is ready, but we physical cannot see the signal here because this is must be used at a set reset function. After you can see the signal of PLS of M0. So one more method have to be understand about this one PLS instruction using. We will delete this one, delete this, and we will make a program here, and also we will use this both commands one time. I will make it here one PLF M2 for example. This both instructions one time we will be make it on, and here we will make LD M0 when on after our Y0 out, or no sorry, set Y0, and here we will make the link to this relay Y0 set and RST reset Y2. But we will make here one more program, insert a row, and here we will take M0 of the LD M2, and we will write the out Y2, because of when M2 will be on, after our Y2 will be on, and M0 will be on, after our Y0 will be on. So this is we make this also this we have to be make set yani set Y2. Okay, and this Y0 we will make it reset and set, and Y2 we make the reset. Again one more insert row we will take, and here we will take one more line, and here we will take RST reset reset Y0 reset Y0. Because of this PLF instruction is what's the function, this will giving the signal after when this will be off X1. When not have signal means then this PLF instruction will be on, and when this have signal, that PLS giving the rising edge. So this program we will just compile and test how this program is running or not running, what's happening. Make the simulation on, and now we can see give the signal at X0. Now you can see when we give the signal at X0, after our Y0 is set, because of this M0 is giving the signal to the Y0, and when we remove the signal, for example, after you can see this is the Y2 is set. Why Y2 is set? Because of this PLF instruction means this is the falling edge, this is rising edge, and this is falling edge. Because of PLF, when this is on M2, after when off after your Y2 or Y3, which you will be write in the program, that will be on and off. And again I will give one signal. See when I give the signal, now PLS giving the one signal, this M0, and our Y0 goes to set condition. And as we remove the signal, after this Y2 will be set. So this way we can use this instruction in the program as per your on demand, but these instructions are how to use and why use, because of somewheres have when using the conveyors or any running motors method, there we will have many of sensors where you like to be start and stop some and valves or any motors, whatever, yani when your output will be on after, if the next product, you have to be make it on and off, y2, y0, y3, any of the release you can use in the program. So I hope guys you will be understand about this function PLS and PLF instruction. If you not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.